Thomas. Basically, I'm from Trichy, Tamil Nadu, currently in Abu Dhabi, UAE. I came to know Pastor Smith through one of my friend, and we got connected since 2020 March. Our interaction is mainly through Zoom meetings, which Pastor used to conduct. Basically it is a discipleship meeting. He's guiding almost around 10 people, 10 friends, and we are all gathered here to get his teachings, mainly on incubation of faith, how to get deliverance from the stronghold, renewing our mind, call of God, and then how to be an effective leader in transforming others, not only a mere listener, just getting a blessing for our own self and our family. This is not enough, and this is not the God's purpose in everyone's life. God's purpose in everyone's life is to teach what we experience from God, and what is the blessing we receive from God. We should transform, and we should share with other friends, so that other friends also get delivered from the strongholds or whatever may be the situation in their life. The God can speak, and then God can change in others' life. And this is one of the main agenda and main purpose of Pastor Smith sessions, and each and every session he used to teach us. So it got imprinted in our heart, and then we are all guided and directed in such a way, so that our lives are we are in a transformation, mainly focusing on God's kingdom and focusing on God's principle, so that we can transform, we can be trained and transform, and a useful instrument, transform others, and a useful instrument to God's towards God's kingdom. Apart from that, I didn't call Pastor Smith for any personal prayer request. On one fine day, especially in Jan 2021, when I got sick and I having an irritation in my chest, and I was having a little bit of pressure concern, BP concern, and then I was taken to hospital in an emergency situation in the night time. I informed my wife, I'm really sick, I'm losing confidence, I'm feeling something abnormal in my body condition, so please pray and call Pastor Smith and pray. And then he immediately called Pastor Smith at the night, almost nearly 12 in UAE time. It will be 1:30 in India. It was 1:30 in India at the time he took the phone. He prayed, and then he gave a prophetic word to my wife, and that at the utmost confidence he given the prophetic word that you're going to give me a praise report tomorrow. Nothing is going to happen. It's just just relax. I'm almost prayed, and I got a vision that you're going to give a praise report tomorrow. So this was the prayer given by this was the the prophetic word given by Pastor Smith. That I don't know. I was in a hospital 250 kilometers away from my wife, away from the city at the time, and I got examined, and all the tests related to cardiac, and every test results came normal. To be honest, every test result came normal except BP. So I have given tablet, and they declared fit. It was one of it is one of the turning point in our life, that Pastor Smith guidance and his motivation towards that situation really turned our life. How to face and how to react in a critical situation, he guided us from that time onwards. This is one of the testimony I would like to share in this time. Apart from that, what happened, that is the real situation and the real miracle I want to share with you, with my journey with Pastor Smith. What happened after 10-15 days, it got somewhere this fear get into my heart. So whenever I get small pain in the chest, I was worried, and I was feared that something is going to happen. So this fear, what it turned out, it gives a fear of death. So what the next stage, it stopped my sleep. So I couldn't able to sleep in the night for almost 4-5 days. Then again, that's the time. So I really need a spiritual support. So suddenly I called Pastor Smith at that time, and then he started giving counseling how Adam and Eve were deviated, deceived by Satan. God has promised something, and then how Adam and Eve deceived by Satan by giving false information. This is how Satan will react. Satan is reacting with everyone's life. He's playing a mind game in everyone's life. So Thomas, you have been given a great life, and then God is protecting your life. Believe in God. Don't believe in the fear. If you are fearing, it is not from God, it is from Satan. So you should not fear. You should always rejoice in God. That is the God's purpose. So he likewise he started giving counseling through God's word continuously for almost a week time, even though I couldn't deliver, and then one day, he prayed for almost 1 hour. I started realizing a very strong heat substance. I felt that there was I felt very much hot in my whole body, and then I completely, feeling painful in the body, and I feel tired after that prayer. And God and Pastor Smith, you have been completely delivered. You have been affected with some attack, so you have been completely delivered. Don't need to worry. Even though on that day also around 5-6 times I called him in the night, he answered all my prayers, and not even one time he got irritated. He attended all the phone calls and guided me, to overcome the situation. And that fear, the element of fear was, I was suffering with the element of fear. And then he started giving counseling how Paul overcome all the struggles in his life through the grace. Through God's grace you can do all things, and you can become a warrior of Christ. When you believe in God's grace and when you believe in faith, God can do miracles in your life. You have been a warrior. You are a Christ warrior. So what is happening, God knows. What will happen if something is going to wrong in your life, God knows. So God is protecting you. God will not leave you. Nothing is going to happen. The life can only be given by God, not by doctors, not by anyone else. So don't fear. And he given so many promising verses. You should not fear. God has spoken many things, through Pastor Smith, and he guided me, directed me, and which really molds me to be a better person. Nowadays, I'm giving 1,000 prizes every day, and then he has given me, schedule to, complete the Bible in a 1-year period, and he has given a plan for us, to memorize, scriptures, and then he has given a planner, how to make a plan towards God and for God. So currently from fear, I move to faith through the prophetic word and through God's grace. And this journey, it really, it was painful, but through Pastor Smith, he transformed, and he molded me into a better person during this crisis situation through God's immense grace and his prophetic word. Thank you very much. And you can also be blessed if you believe in God and then believe in the prophetic word and prophetic vision. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you.